Okay, Ella, what do you got there?
Some cakes for we got 3 people in this house and 1 people in our house, and this is our dad's house too.
What kind of a cake is it?
It's an apple cake and it's green.
Green apple?
Yeah, green apple cake.
Any milk?
No, it also has prickly pears and it has green apple flavors and it's juicy.
So I can eat it. So I can eat it too.
Yeah, and also has your favorite. It also has my favorite fruit, and it's also frozen bananas. So, but my sister, there's no frozen bananas in each one. This is the frozen bananas. This is strawberry, and this is. And we spilled it, but first I'm gonna need a kinetic. So this is the apple flavor.
What happened to Ella?
Let me see the video.
Okay, don't drop it.
Can I see the video?